Hello there and welcome. I'm Martin Unix, and today I'm gonna show you on how to incorporate, lock knots on dreadlocks to come up with an amazing updo. So like my work, comment and share to your friends. Welcome viewers. Now today we are going to do Locknots Bun, which shall be accompanied by back knotted twist outs, of which I've just gone ahead and centered some of the lock strands, whereas I've separated some numbered lock strands at the back where we are going to do the knotted twist outs and the Locknots Bun at the center. Now basically on this tutorial we are just going to apply the technique that we have been learning on the other tutorials on how to come up with lock knots and how to incorporate such style in other looks so as to come up with intricate appearances which are symmetrical. I will be using a crochet latch. This is my crochet latch. You can have a look. It's a hooked crochet latch. So I'm gonna be using crochet latch to secure the lock knots. So you just go ahead and leave behind some strands. Remember that the strands should be numbered in a way that they can give a symmetry look. So let's go ahead and kick off at the back. Now you realize that the lower strands are going to give us the level at which now we are going to levelize the rest of the strands as we do our knotted twist outs. Let's begin, just for the sake of our beginners who doesn't know how to do the twist outs. Just pick the adjacent lock strands, and every time you pick each lock strand, try and twist the lock strand in clockwise manner. For instance, have a look, clockwise. Why are we twisting the lock strands in clockwise manner? Just to change that texture and give our twist out a well defined appearance by twisting the strands in clockwise. That way, then interlace them. Every time you pick the lock strand, try and twist the lock strand in clockwise manner a little bit and interlace the lock strand accordingly. Have a look while working backwards up to a certain level where now we shall be doing our lock knots, just to give our style another touch. So upon reaching this level, just go ahead and pick one of the lock strands and fold it backwards. That way, have a look. Then I'm gonna roll up such a lock strand just once, then let it off and just align the lock strand against the loop. Why are we aligning the lock strand against the loop? If you can have a look, this particular strand here, it's colored, and this one here is colored too, but it has got a black portion. We want to kick off by doing away with the black portion. Considering that our lock strands are transitioned towards the tips, we need to balance the colors. So just fold the strand, let it lie against the loop. Pick the other lock strand and wrap it around. This is just for our beginners, and if you're new on my channel, kindly consider subscribing, like my work, comment and share to your friends. Just wrap the lock strand in clockwise manner backwards. I want to make sure that the lighter color is positioned at the tip. Pick the remaining lock strand and wrap it around, securing the ending tip of the previous lock strand. Up to a certain level, just pick the remaining section through the loop. I have been giving more tutorials about the lock knots. I understand that we are perfecting this together. So let's manage the remaining tip by wrapping the tip in anti-clockwise. That way, anti-clockwise. Very simple for our beginners. Pick the tip at certain level. Just pick the tip, pull it inside the lock knot. that way. You can now mold the lock knot to your desired look. This becomes our first knotted twist out. Have a look. I'm just going to do the rest same way. So as we go on with the styling, I just want to talk about the theme of our style today. And the Locknots Bun with back twist outs is a sophisticated hairstyling technique that involves leaving numbered lock strands for the twist outs at the back. So in order to come up with, symmetric appearance at the back, you need to leave behind numbered lock strands depending with the number of the twist outs. Now this approach facilitates a systematic and organized process, ensuring each section is carefully addressed. Now the use of the numbered lock strands is just a clear roadmap for achieving a well-defined and intricate look. Now viewers, emphasizing the leveling of the knotted parts while centering the rest adds a layer of precision to the style. Now this attention to detail the look contributes to the overall symmetry and balance of the Locknots Bun. Alright, we are done with the twist outs, which are knotted, and our twist outs are all in level. The style is a little bit complex, so I couldn't show the whole style. I just showed some sections, and if you are facing challenges on how to come up with this kind of look, you can kindly reach out via WhatsApp. The number is provided along the video. That is if you wanna join my virtual classes. So let's go ahead and do the bun. Now the bun will be comprising of lock knots, and I will be ascertaining the length of the lock knots with my 3 fingers. That's the size that I want my lock knots to be. And another thing, in order to make the bun flowery, I'm gonna position the lock knots in certain levels all the way to the center, so that we can come up with a intricate look that looks pleasing to the eye. So let's go ahead and kick off, and I want you to be keen on whatever it does, because I usually choose to show some sections. So let's go ahead and fold the lock strand that level. Then I'm gonna wrap around in clockwise manner. I understand that you all know how to come up with these lock knots. It's just that now we are trying to chip in some creativity by featuring the lock knots in our styling as we come up with intricate styles. Pull the remaining tip inside the lock knot that way. Then I'm gonna wrap around the tip in anti-clockwise manner as usual to certain level, then disguise the tip inside the section as well. It's very simple, just pull out your crochet like that. Now these are the type of lock knots that I want us to come up with. First and foremost, we are going to do the base, then we shall be advancing as we position the lock knots towards the center. So let's do the base. Alright, now we are done with the base level, whereby we have done the lock knots all the way around. We are going to add another layer on top of this. That's how now we shall be positioning the lock knots in layers in order to come up with that personalized touch as we do the styling. Let's go ahead. As usual, 3 fingers, sizing of the lock knots. I've just left out some strands here so that we can work together, and if you can have a closer look, we are almost done, and the look is truly amazing. You can have a look on how the lock knots are taking shape, as well as the twist outs at the back, which are well complementing with the the upper touch. So let's go ahead and do the remaining strands together. You know, this is kind of tedious work, so we can't showcase every part. I've just, you know, considered to touch on the very basic techniques and ways on how you can, you know, personalize the touch to come up with this kind of look. So let's go ahead and do the remaining strands all together. Pick your lock strand and fold the strand against your fingers. Ascertain the length that you want, and then just wrap around your lock strand that way in clockwise manner while working backwards. Ensure that the strand is not, you know, tilting itself at the bends while you are working on the lock knot. That way, just wrap around backwards. Remember guys to like my comment, share to your friends, and consider supporting the channel by joining membership. If you wanna support this channel, then you can just hit the join button and join membership. Stay positive when it comes to commenting. Now, as we go on and on doing the lock knots, I just need to enlighten you more about the bun and how you can come up with a well, you know, personalized bun that can well complement with the knotted twist outs at the back, giving our look another cute brand new perspective. So the hairstyle encourages varying the positioning of the lock knots. So as you do the lock knots, make sure that you position the lock knots in different levels. Now this gives our style another touch. It will introduce a creative element to the style. Now this dynamic approach results in a visually stunning and unique flower Locknots bun, showcasing a blend of artistry and technique for a standout hairstyle. So we are done guys, and just a quick tip, or else just to give you another technique when it comes to ways on how to undo this kind of style. I know you might be wondering, how do we undo this? And many people have been asking on the comment section how to undo this kind of style. You just pick the tip at this level. Remember, we are just folding the tip inside the loop. So if you want to undo this, just pick the tip and pull it outwards and it will come out. Have a look. That way, it's very simple guys. That's why we don't show how to undo the styles, because ways on how to undo the styles are kind of simple. So let's just manage the lock strand so that we can talk more about the style now as we wind up. But guys, these are just simple ways now to manage the lock strands without using rubber bands and achieve intricate styles. On my concluding remarks, viewers, combining the Locknots bun with a back knotted twist outs offers a unique and versatile hairstyle that blends the structured elegance of the bun with dynamic texture of the twist outs. Now, ideally, and you'll keenly note that the back knotted twist outs enhance the volume and dimension, creating a visually appealing contrast to the sleek and controlled Locknots bun. Now, this combination offers a trendy and sophisticated look, suitable for various occasions from casual outings to formal events. Not only does it showcase creativity in the hairstyling, but it also allows for a personalized touch, as you can experiment with the different knot patterns and twist out textures. So you realize that the versatility of this hairstyle makes it suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions, providing a fresh and captivating look that stands out. I hope the tutorial was truly amazing. Consider sharing to your friends and stay locked for more tutorials to come.